welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to avoid double spendings in Ace Wallet transaction. Avoiding double spending on Ace Wallet transaction is crucial for ensuring the security and integrity of your cryptocurrency transaction. Here are some tips to help you prevent double spendings. First is understand the double spending. It occurs when someone tries to spend the same cryptocurrency more than once. This can happen if a transaction is sent multiple times before one is confirmed. You need to use reliable network connection. Ensure you are using secure and reliable internet connection while making the transaction. Public Wi-Fi can expose you to security risks, including potential double spending attacks. You also need to wait for confirmation. After sending a transaction, wait for it to receive a sufficient number of confirmation before considering it finalized. Generally, a more confirmation a transaction has, the more secure it is. More networks recommend waiting at least 3 to 6 confirmation. You can also use a blockchain explorer to check the status of your transaction. Ensure that it has been confirmed on blockchain before attempting to send another transaction with the same funds. You also need to avoid rapid transaction. If you need to send multiple transactions, avoid doing so in rapid succession. This can lead to confusion in network and increase the risk of double spending. When possible, use a new receiving address for each transaction. This practice can help reduce the risk of attempting to spend the same fund twice. You can also utilize the built-in security features and disable transactions when necessary. And keep your Ace Wallet app up to date to the latest version. Update may include security enhancement and improvement to help prevent issues like double spending. Open an App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type in Ace Wallet. After that, select the application and you can see update button if there is any update available. Click on update button and it will be downloaded to the latest version of it. By following these tips, you can help avoid double spending on Ace Wallet transaction, ensuring that your cryptocurrency activities remain secure and reliable. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.